welcome to the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about a video where people have sent me. It's a video of a British brother dropping an Irie man. He has a very popular program online. Thousands of people tune in and watch it all across the world. And when he meets an Irie man and the Irie Saxons get involved, just like they always do, they make Jamaica look like one big pen full of hog and goat. The Irie Saxon has to be studied. No matter how much progress, I tell you, so when they can't build nothing with Irie Saxons. Irie man have to go find a way to deport Irie Saxons. Find one next country where can take them. Because you can't build nothing with Irie Saxons. It's embarrassing. I'm going to show you the video. Even the brethren was disgusted. And to show you how shameless the Irie Saxon is, the man asked them one simple question and then boldly stick out them chest and say yes. Vile. I'm going to talk about it. Before I go into that, couple of things. First and foremost, Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to Brother Empress K. That's the wifey to the PIA and Patreon squad veteran Looping. It's a belated birthday, as I say, you don't know. The schedule of how we drop videos kind of changed now. So, I really on the Sunday I hear them. But I don't reason Looping already. Matter of fact, Fiend birthday I come up in a couple of days time. I'm tell him say, I go drop it on Emancipation Day. Cause me have a big video I drop Emancipation Day. I tell them from now. One of them long time look YouTuber video will make people have to go back or do them research and do them studying and have to rethink how them look on things. Because sometimes me don't know talk about certain things. I know some little low IQ blogger boy and hear it from. Right. And sometimes you have to come set things straight, unfortunately. Big video Emancipation Day. So Brother Empress K, big up yourself, you know. If I loop in say you are the one, then I are the one. Right, we don't ask no question. Right. Live long and prosper. One more year around the sun. We busy say, I don't want to get copyright. I'm busy tune the bad still, I'm not lying. I'm busy tune the bad. I don't know when you find that one there. The bad. Normally DJ guy. See them like, oh my god, I'm gonna build a tune about shoot up the ends, I'm gonna build a tune about how much girl me have. I'm gonna build a tune about how much weed me can burn. I'm gonna build a tune about the party. I'm gonna build a tune about mama. I don't know how busy sit down and think to himself. You know, tell me that birthday song. Me that birthday song. And it shot. Shot like a rifle from March Pen. We are the Empress K, Looping, big up on yourself. Speaking about Patreon squad, exclusive video I dropped today on it. Can me tell some members of Patreon say, I go tell them why the local YouTuber so scarce during the week. Notice how the Sunday video I drop now. I go tell them what I go on. I'm giving them some more details. Not all the details because I don't know how the local YouTuber say me, but things that I get clearer for now. People that link me and say, yo, on IG, I say, suck your mother blogger boy. One time me used to hear a video on the corner I play for you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Right now no video now I play. Suck your mother, you're washed up. Washed up? No. You're wrong. Washed up long time. You're late. You see, I have to deal with low IQ up about like a child. You see me a child say, Daddy, I think I'm a bird and I can fly, and you like laugh and skin your teeth. I entertain them and say I have to treat up about. Because obviously in the video I drop during the week. So sometimes when LIQs link me, I have to just treat them like a child and they say, yeah man, a true thing man. Because you have to understand saying I deal with matter of sense and on the reasoning ability and a critical thinking. We have to give them grace. Like how we give a child grace, that's how we deal with Duppy Bat. That's how we deal with low IQ Duppy Bat. Make we get in the video now. Make we get in the video. Disgusting. Embarrassing. Imagine the brethren of him program, go around the world, play all kind of things. Dropping an Irie man. Irie Saxons go hear about it. start running like a bunch of wild, low IQ dopey bats. Now go play the clip for now. Check this one.
It's become too unruly. When it gets unruly, it becomes unsafe for people, and they can't be. This is not good for Jamaica. This don't look good, you know. This looks bad. You got 7,000 people watching. Is this what Jamaica is? Yes. Just so I know. This is what Jamaica is. You can't all work together. You can't respect each other. Raw, man. I can't come back here if it's gonna be like this.
I don't want to hear nothing.
Raw. No, I'm gonna run it back because we can't end it like that. But yo, order, man. Come on, man. Yeah, order. Just relax. Relax, man. I can't come back if it's gonna be like this.
No, you can't build nothing with Irish Saxons. Not even talk about one box truck. I mean anything at all, even reputation you can't build with Irish Saxons. The bridging was embarrassed for Irie, man. Imagine the person who is British after I say to Jamaica and say, yo, I saw no one in Jamaica, look. Not the Jamaicans, the quote unquote. May the ancestors forgive me. I just said Jamaicans. May the ancestors forgive me, I have sinned. The Irish Saxons didn't stop for a second and think, we don't want the world see Jamaica and Jamaicans behaving like this. This is just one short clip, you know. This other people are saying, you can go check it out online to see full thing. For even showing why the Virgin I say only for go easy. Notice the Irish Saxons didn't say, yo, I saw one Irish Saxon didn't say to one next Irish Saxon, yo, I saw one Jamaica, look. It took the British guy to say, I saw one Jamaica, look. So he's thinking about Jamaica's international reputation more than the actual Irish Saxons. It has to be studied. And then the man I say, yo, I saw Irish Saxon double butt steer. One of the man names say yes. The dopey bot said, this is what old people mean when them say take bad things, make joke. Because if you no laugh, you a go ball. If you no laugh, you a go ball. The man asked him, say, guy, I saw Irish Saxon stay. I saw no one Jamaica, look. This is how you people really are. The Irish Saxon said yes with a straight face. You can't build nothing with Irish Saxons. Them no biz one bag of arbor shark. Understand at no point how Jamaica look down cross for their mind. All them see was an opportunity to be a part of a circus. And there is nothing a clown loves more than a circus. What me tell you make Irie man tick. Entertainment. It is valued above everything else. If you ever make a Irish Saxon see a camera and a microphone, it's over. Them no want war and fight and struggle to learn how to build nothing of no use. Them no want create nothing. Them no want innovate nothing. Them want be the world's greatest entertainers. Then just one boss, get a hype, and get some gal. Want to be known, want to be popular, video light above all else. Back in the day, them used to say video light make woman turn fool. That a lie. Well, nowadays a lie that. Video light make quote unquote man turn fool if you ever turn on a camera in front of some Irish Saxon. It done this so. The dopey bot said yes. This is how Irie man is. Yes, this is how we are. It has to be studied. Yes, this is who we are. This is how we are. Then the same dopey bot will tell you, say, yo, every time I travel and go certain places, people want to treat Jamaica with negative. You just told the world that's how you are, a harbor shark dopey bot. You just tell the whole wide world, yes, this is how we are, this is who we are. Then when others treat you accordingly, yo, you see my fight against the Jamaicans. I just feel bad for Jamaicans who get caught in the crossfire because Irimanians with sense still get thrown at the same boat because in the day you're Iriman. So in the day you come from Jamaica. And this is who Jamaicans are. One bag of abasha dopey bot, in honest sense. Right. So you must in a mix too. So no matter how educated you are, no matter how sophisticated you are, no matter how poised you are, no matter how disciplined you are, no matter once you have a Jamaican passport and a Jamaican accent, people are going to automatically dash in the same basket because this is what the world see. The world, remember, this is not a video from some blonde-haired, blue-eyed Nazi saying, you know, these Jamaicans are. This is an actual This is an actual Irish Saxon. When asked the question, is this what Jamaica is like? Is this what Jamaicans are like? Said yes. These quote-unquote men need to be studied. The camera don't lie. We're seeing it in 4D now. When women start talking about man love attention more than them now. Man a fight them to video like now. Them something that are real something, guy. Me don't know who met them man. Whichever factory they met them in. We need a factory reset. Entertainment above everything. Imagine the British guy is the one who is considering Jamaicans' image right now. In that moment, it was the British guy who was thinking about Jamaica's image, not the Irish Saxons. All they were thinking about was give me the mic and give me the video light. It has to be studied. Has to be studied. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.